Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us midweek. I'm Janelle Slade. Well, school superintendents across the state face difficult decisions, angry parents, and some even threats as they maneuver through rising COVID numbers and mask mandates. Tonight, we check in with School District 2 Superintendent Greg Upham, who's also finding support. Well, the numbers are already adding up. After the first week of Billings Public School, School District 2 reports a total of 61 positive COVID-19 cases last week. Here's a breakdown. 16 elementary students, 15 middle school, and 18 high school students for a total of 49 COVID-19 positive students. Added to that, 9 elementary, 1 middle school, and 2 high school staff members across the city. That totals 12 adults. COVID-19 is real, and it's spreading throughout our school district and our students. Q2's Mitch Laggy checked in with Superintendent Greg Upham, who says he'll do whatever he can to protect our kids.
According to new COVID-19 data, wrapping up last week for Yellowstone County, the virus continues to circulate and increase in numbers, particularly infecting school-aged children age 0 to 19. In the week ending August 28th, school-age kids accounted for 21% of the county's 676 new cases. Billings students and teachers are now in their second week of school, with masks required to be worn inside school buildings. The Billings schools have reported 49 total COVID cases in students and 12 cases in staff since the start of the year. Billings School Superintendent Greg Upham said this year's total is already nearing a high of 71 cases reported in the fall of last year.
I mean, it's doing what we anticipated it would do, which is, one of the reasons that we wanted to mask early. We're going to watch it. The case counts, school-age case counts are rising rapidly. It's concerning, and we'll do the precautionary measures that we've always taken and do the right thing. We'll just continue to just work with this virus and do our best with it.
The question of whether face masks should be required or optional in schools has drawn out differing opinions across the state, with Governor Greg Gianforte and the state health department issuing a rule on Tuesday, encouraging school districts to consider public comment before making masking decisions. Upham said the Billings schools will continue to require masks until case numbers drop. Information
from DPHHS said should, and so we didn't see it as a mandate. And so we'll definitely take those considerations, those items under consideration that were shared in that information, and we'll continue with our mask requirements until the numbers come down.
The rule, in effect for 120 days, also noted students should be able to opt out of health mandates due to moral convictions, religious reasons, or mental or physical health-related reasons. Upham said the Billings schools are offering virtual learning to students who wish not to wear a mask. About 71 students so far have enrolled in that virtual learning. Over the start of school, Upham said only a handful of students have refused to wear their masks in class. The deadline to get signed up for virtual learning is September 3rd. Last week, 3 Billings school staff members were placed on 5 days of unpaid leave for refusing to wear a mask. Upham said on Wednesday that 2 of the staff members have returned to work. One has resigned. Billings, MTN News.
I checked in with Yellowstone County health officials who showed me the data. At the beginning of the 2020 school year, people under 19 made up 12% of all the new positive COVID cases. At the same time, this year, that number is 21%.